Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
We are rejoicing for the good governor we have in Edo State. We are rejoicing. We are rejoicing and will continue to be rejoicing. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We will continue to move forward. We'll continue to move forward. Enough is enough for that Edo State. My people, make una try. Make una shine. Make una shine on high. Enough is enough. I want me to invite Ize Yamu and Oshomole. As I do this live video, maybe they watch me on live. Maybe they watch me, maybe they hear, because they never start to the hear. And they will continue to be hearing about Obaseki. They will continue to be hearing the year that Obaseki ruled. This year is a year that Edo State people can never forget. The time of social year like this, when Oshomole is about to rule Obaseki. Obaseki rule Oshomole back. That is this year. Brother, I'm talking. I greet the house. I greet everybody. I want everybody listening to me because of what is going on in Edo State. We, Edo State, we don't like it. We want Obaseki back. Obaseki is the man that can make Edo forward. Obaseki is the man that can do all these things in Edo State, to us, the citizens, the youth, the women, the men, the children in Edo State, that make the children to be feel happy. Brother and sister, the hour has come for us to know what is bad and what is good. We know the fight that Obaseki is fighting for. Obaseki is fighting for our own Edo good. Obaseki is fighting for Edo youth. He's fighting for the development of Edo State. He's not fighting for your pocket. He's fighting for the development in Edo State. What Obaseki is fighting for. People don't understand Obaseki, and people don't know. People think that Obaseki is just a man that he don't have intelligence. Obaseki have. When we are talking about education, we are talking about the good governor in the whole Nigeria. Obaseki is number one, but people don't understand it. Just imagine, Oshomole just came from nowhere, started fighting Obaseki from no reason, because of Obaseki is fighting for the goodness of Edo State. Invite Oshomole. I want Oshomole to hear word. We want Oshomole to step down, to let Obaseki to rule second time. He said no. We want Oshomole, and we told him, Oshomole, leave Obaseki alone. Let Obaseki to rule second time. Oshomole said no. He said he is the one that brought Obaseki. And it's Obaseki that brought Oshomole. It's not Oshomole that brought Obaseki. It's Obaseki that brought Oshomole. If you people don't understand, I want to tell you people. I want you people to understand. When Oshomole was fighting for governor, Oshomole don't have money. It's Obaseki that transfer, that support Oshomole. Obaseki used your money to spend in the election of Oshomole. When the time that Oshomole was campaigning, it's Obaseki that supports Oshomole, but people don't understand. My brother, my sister, we are not here to talk around the bush. We are not here to talk, go like this. No, we are here to say the truth. As long as we are part the aid of accountability, we are not a KDK. We know what is good and we know what is good for us. Don't fight because of your own pocket. Fight because of the benefit of the youth and the children in the Edo State. Don't fight because of you want to get money for the government. Don't fight because of your government want to give you money. Don't fight because of you need something from government. Fight the fight, people will respect you. Fight the fight that people will honor you. Fight the fight, people will respect you. Fight the fight that people will know that you are somebody. This fight that Oshomole and Ingang is fighting, people know that they are fighting for their own pocket. They are not fighting for the masses. They are not fighting for the benefit of the state. My brother, I'm angry. I mean, anything that want to happen, we are standing for Obaseki. Let it happen. Obaseki is the number one of Edo State, and is the government that people recognize is the best government in Nigeria. It's the best government in Nigeria. Brother and sister, the reason why I'm here to say this point to you people is for you to open your heart and vote for Obaseki. Obaseki is the choice of Edo State. It's only Obaseki that will break Edo up. It's only Obaseki that can make Edo have future. Vote for Obaseki. And don't let people to confuse you people. And don't let people because of 5,000, because of just seeking money. This thing has been existing before. But you people don't know. We are selling our destiny to evil people. We are selling our destiny. The time of election, then we came. They will start sharing money. They will start giving people money. They will give people 500. They will give people 1,000. They will give people 5,000. And people will start happy about it. But we don't know that we are selling our destiny, our future. But the time has come for us to know that enough is enough. Enough is enough. I like my Edo people, as you people started, as you are fighting Oshomole, we will continue to fight Oshomole until Obaseki returned to the second post. He returned it to the second tunnel. Until Obaseki win. And we can't rest. And we will continue to fight this fight. And we will win by the grace of God. And we will win. And nobody can defeat us. As long that God is our back. You see, that is Jesus is our back. And Jesus is still in Obaseki back. And we will fight this fight. And we will win. We will disgrace Oshomole. We will make Oshomole to know that he's not the father of Edo State. Enough is enough. We will disgrace Oshomole. Oshomole is already crying. He's already crying. He's tired. He don't know what to do again. He's using one way or another to break Obaseki up. No, as long as we are declared, we are the citizens of Edo State. We are declared. Oshomole doesn't have power in Edo State again. It's already key APC in Edo State. And APC is not functioning in Edo State again. PDP take over. PDP is already take over the post. They are already taking. Oshomole is the one that give to them. Brother, sister, I thank you for this hour. Because of what is going on, I'm very, very hungry. I'm not happy. How myself. We have, even though that I'm not living in Nigeria, but we have people over there. We have family. We have friends. It's our own country. We are not happy about the country, about the situation in Edo State. We are not happy. We can't go back to our own land again. Because no security, no development, no citizenship, no capitalization. Because we are afraid. That's why that Obaseki want to put full stop on this. That's why that Obaseki want to try to stop this experiments. That's why that we need to fight this fight together, to Obaseki to return back. Guys, we need to fight Obaseki to return to the post again. We need to fight the spirit that Obaseki have right now, but people don't understand. The spirit, you know, when our old governor, that is the Ali, the time of Ali did a great things in Edo State here. Obaseki still have that spirit of Ali. Obaseki still have the feeling of Edo cities. Obaseki don't have children. Obaseki don't have children to train. Obaseki don't think that I want to dupe money to my children. Obaseki don't have time like that. What Obaseki have time for? What Obaseki think is that for Edo State to grow and establish. That's what Obaseki is fighting for. What Obaseki is trying. Just imagine the time when Oshomole go Isha, go campaign. You know what happened? They drive Oshomole because they don't want Oshomole in anywhere again. Oshomole has already polluted Edo State. We think that Oshomole is good, but later it changed automatically. It changed along the way. Now, devil started using Oshomole. Oshomole is not good anymore. It's a devil as a church. It's a devil. It's a devil as a church. It's not good. Man, people, man, we're supposed to know what is good and what is right. People, the time has come for us to stand up. The time has come. The time has come. I'm still repeating it again. I said the time has come for us to stand up for Obaseki. For us to fight this way together. Obaseki is the number one choice that will make Edo be happy. I want to invite my brother and my sister in Africa, in Edo State. don't use because of 5,000. Now I know that the information is already given to us that the Eze Iyamu people, they are using money one way or another. They are using money to try for them to win this election, but they can't again. Enough is enough. Although people are saying yes, although people are saying bye-bye to Agberolism, although people are saying bye-bye to Agbero, it is finished and it is finished. Although let us stand for our words. I'm still using this opportunity to invite, to encourage, to talk to people in Edo State. Don't use because of 5,000 to sell your destiny. What is 5,000? What is 10,000? What is 20,000 even said? They can't give you people 20,000. It's only 5,000 highest. What is that? That money is a chicken money for you to sell your destiny. I want to tell you people that leave other people that supporting Eze Iyamu because they are supporting money. They are fighting for their own pocket. They are not fighting for the goodness of Edo State. They are fighting for their own pocket. They are just fighting for their own pocket. They want Edo State to be breaking down, but we said no, that Edo State must go up. My viewer, we want Edo State to fling up. Enough is enough. And if we can't, the majority in Europe, Edo State people is 90 over 100. But when you go to Edo State, it's like a village. It's like bush. Because of bad governments, because of our bad leader. That is when Obaseki came out. Say enough is enough. That's why that Obaseki came out. Obaseki have already heard the affliction of Edo State. He's crying. Why Edo State is like this? Why it's like that? He's already heard the affliction of Edo State. That is why he came out. That is why that he said enough is enough. He said he wants to go and tell the people over there, the elders in Edo State, and the elders in Edo State, they stood for him, both Edo and Asia, all over. Anywhere Obaseki go, people must respect and follow him. When Ali were in governor, Ali don't have house, he don't have mansion. Just only have one small building in Asia, in Ekpomate. He has small building, just small, something like a 2 flat. That is where he stay. It's what Obaseki is still doing. Obaseki don't have time. Obaseki don't have that mind to go and build mansion in different country, in different Europe country. But our governor we had before, they use Edo State to go different type of nation to go and build mansion. And we, the citizens, we are suffering over Nigeria. We are suffering over the Edo State here. But the bad leader we have, they will take our money to Europe to go and build mansion, to go and establish, to go and give people in Europe. But we citizens, we are crying over there. See children, they are selling pure water. They are selling different type of something in market because of hunger. because of the policy in Edo State. Brother, Obaseki still have that spirit, not to build mansion, to repair Edo State, to make Edo State forward, to make Edo State great, to make Edo State better. Brother, no matter the situation, no matter anything, let us support Obaseki. We will see from now to 4 years' time, you will see Edo State will look like. You will see Edo State will change. You will see, brother and sister, let us unite together. Let us say no to Agberu people. Let us say no to the people that call themselves the bad people in Edo State. They are not existing again. We can say no bye-bye to them. That is what we are doing. And we use different ways. People came out, have support Obaseki. That is what I'm still doing over here. I'm using this way, this way to support Obaseki. It's not only me, our family. Brother, sister, vote for Obaseki. Obaseki is the number one. Just imagine, Agberu will be ruling people that graduate. People that graduate, go and think. It is time for you people to stand. Enough is enough. Agberu people will be celebrating billions of money that you that go to university and graduate, you have a credit, but you can't use it. Agberu will be oppressing you people. That is why that Obaseki is saying no. Enough is enough. Agberu can't rule Edo State again. Agberu don't have power again. Just imagine, Agberu will be giving people that graduate, will be feature you work. It's you people that graduate supposed to feature Agberu. See our people today. They are happy, they are enjoying. People that breed us now, they are enjoying. Because no more Agberu, no more CZ, go and settle chairman, go and settle GS, go and settle DC, go and settle Ojonwe, go and settle Ekagbe, go and settle anyone. Obaseki have put stop on that. If you are settled, you are settled. You can't settle 2 times. Our people they are happy. They're happy. That's what we want in Edo State. That's we in Asai. That's what we want. In case of if we are coming back to our own land, we'll be enjoying. We'll be feeling rejoicing in our whole heart that we have our state is already good. We'll be enjoying. We'll be thanking God. We'll be thanking the government. God has used the government. That is, God has already used Obaseki to repair Edo State. God has already heard the affliction of Edo State. That is why He brings Obaseki heart. Brother, sister, try to vote for Obaseki, for her to be rejoicing and happy. We can go back to our state to go and establish. We can go back to our state with full confidence, establish there. Do something that you want to do. Do everything that you want to do. No more shaking. That's why that we are here. We don't fear anybody. That's we just with respect. We don't fear anybody. We don't fear anybody because we don't see. We don't see. From Nigeria to Europe, it's not easy. We don't see. We don't fear anybody. It's for us to respect. It's because of people can say, okay, you are here, you are making money because of this COVID-19 period. Supposed to see people right now. They will be flying to Edo State because of Obaseki, to vote for Obaseki, to support Obaseki. My brother, my sister, I want to use this opportunity. Now me they talk. Meno Osamede or we are not afraid to one stupid people. The Agbero people, we are not afraid of them. We need respect. As long as you don't come out for your country, there is that respect that you can. They say travel is a bad education. That's why that we respect. But if people in Edo State, people that call themselves Agbero, they don't want to respect themselves, they will collect. And because of COVID-19, we for don't come down, come they throw away. We for don't come down. They grace, who know them? And because of COVID-19, we for don't come down since. Instead of maybe COVID-19, you for the see people from Europe, for different type of country. They go they fly down to Edo State. We are not afraid of any bastard people in Edo State. They are fighting for their own pocket. They are not fighting for the goodness of Edo State. We are not afraid of any of them. Enough is enough. Our heart don't open. It don't open. Just because of this COVID-19. That is why that we just in one place. If, for example, say COVID-19 not there, I don't know. Maybe I even say we now we are still here now. We are not still in Nigeria, but things will still be happening. We are not afraid.